Welcome back. In this video I'll be solving Leetcode problem 200, number of islands. So given an m times n 2D binary grid which represents a map of one's land and zero's water, return the number of islands. An island is surrounded by water and is formed by connecting adjacent lands horizontally or vertically. You may assume all four edges of grids are all surrounded by water. Okay, this is classic one, so let's get it. So I need visited for sure. Let's say res, and now I need directions is equal to 0, 1, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. Okay, and okay, we need to go to let's call it explore, and now we'll get, so I have a grid. I need ij, okay, so so I get I and j, and I mark them as visited and all the neighboring is visited, and I add 1 to res. Also equal 1. Or not, we need to, no, it's true, so res all of this plus equal 1, and I have to check the neighbors. For direction in directions, dij is equal to d, new I is equal to I plus new j is equal to j plus dj. Okay, now I have to check if this one is valid. Also I need to mark this one export, so let's remove this also. There is no reason for this, so I apologize for the sounds. I'm in a common room, so there are people around. Okay, explore ij. Yeah. So visited dot add ij. Should I add Explorer? Yeah. Let's do it like this. So if if new I new j if new I new j that's it. Not visited and ni and j and grid so if there is a land I'll explore ni and j and I is less than equal greater or equal 0 greater or equal so it's not out of range line of grid 0 equal nj 0. Is this correct? So I'll explore, and when I explore I say this is visited. So I'll only add to visited land that I visited because it has to be one. Let's call it maybe here. If this is 0, I just return. Okay, and now I would need to go so for I in range one of grid or j in range one of grid 0. Do I have result? Yes. If grid of I j is equal 1 and I j not in visited is plus equal 1 and I go explore of ij and that seems it to me returnless. Let's try. What? How can it be 0? This can be 0. I, J. Oh, my bad. So, okay. Bit stupid. Grid. Gird, where is gird? Line 10. Knee is not so I, J. Why is it out of range? Okay, not equal, but less. My bad. Seems okay. When it works. So seems pretty good, but kind of does not look too efficient to me. Could have skipped something. Maybe another end. Yeah, I don't need it 2 times, so and the grid of knee I and J is equal 1. This should improve. Kind of. But yeah, this is just of it. Let's see, time complexity and space complexity. So time complexity, we have to explore all of them, and we explore them just once. So this should be of n, linear. And also space complexity should be of n, because we have visited in worst case. So that's it. Let's check it. M times n again. M times n, but the same thing, linear. Okay, I appreciate you for following this one. I apologize for the sounds, but yeah, I'm in a common space, so can't help it. Yeah, I appreciate you following this one. See you in the next one.